putting in some new systems which will be a lot more efficient. So basically we're going to go green. We're getting rid of the old systems that were very energy inefficient, and these are several times more efficient.
Hi, my name is Rafael. I'm here with Great America Heating and Cooling, working together with CME, Custom Mechanical Engineering. This is Ted Lauder.
And again, he said, I'm Ted Lauder. We're replacing some old DMS multi-zone units, going with some more efficient units. On the cooling side, we're about 50 to 60% more efficient than what they had up here. On the heating side, the old units was around 70% on the gas side, and now we're going with 96% efficiency on the gas. We can also be reached on the internet, Custom Mechanical Equipment, or you can phone us at 580-762-4114.
You can always reach us here. We're out of El Paso, Texas, Great America Heating and Cooling. You can always feel free to look us online on our website. Also call us at 915-493-7629. We'll be happy to please you.